seeing is believing, right? When you go online and you see a photo or a video of somebody saying or doing something, we can be pretty sure that it's real, yeah? Well, that's what I thought up until around 2 or 3 years ago, and I learned that that might not actually be the case. President Trump actually signaled pretty early on that fake news exists and is pervasive. So, after doing some digging myself, I confirmed it. Fake news is on the rise. This photo actually went viral when the Amazon rainforest fires were a hot topic. It's actually from 30 years ago. Journalists and government officials are posting photos without context or that have been manipulated and are claiming that their media is genuine. Okay, wow, this could be bad, I thought. I wanted to find out more, so I started digging. To my great surprise, I found out about something even worse. No, not Nick Cage. Deepfakes. You see, deepfakes are generated by an AI that learns how to mimic a person's face or make them appear to say or do anything. You might be thinking, all right, relax, Dylan. We've had the technology to edit photos and videos for decades. Yes, but historically, this editing required the expertise of a team of well-trained engineers and graphics designers. It had been extremely costly and so only really used in Hollywood. But now that the process is automated, anyone, anywhere can do it. What you see on screen right now is a deepfake that I made that swaps Jimmy Fallon's face with John Oliver's. I downloaded images of John from Google, gave them to an AI who then created a model of John's face and then stuck him on top of Jimmy's body. The process only took me an afternoon, even as a novice. So this is really weird, right? Why are people developing this technology anyway? Well, on screen is another example from such an AI. And think about it, these algorithms will open many new creative avenues for artists. Movie budgets will probably decrease while providing ever better quality. People might someday be able to customize movies that they watch with their favorite actors, or even themselves. So now I totally understand why people are building this stuff. It's got some pretty cool uses. But as with all technologies, they're merely tools. Like a hammer, a user can build a house with it or use it as a weapon. A hammer is neither good nor bad, for its user determines that. And I believe deepfakes are also an unbiased tool that can be misused. For a long time, the subreddit r/deepfakes was home to a growing community of tinkerers exploring the positives, until one user posted deepfakes of the Wonder Woman actress having sex with her stepbrother. This led to a barrage of community-sourced pornographic deepfakes with other celebrities. The entire page got censored. As news of deepfakes made it into mainstream media, I saw politicians becoming gravely concerned. In October 2019, Senator Marco Rubio spoke on the record saying that he believed deepfakes are the next wave of attacks against democracies. After quickly realizing how serious this whole thing is, I wanted to learn more so I could try to help stop it. I applied for a summer undergraduate research fellowship, and the subject has been a perfect intersection of my two majors: infotech for understanding the technical challenges, and philosophy for evaluating its social implications. Well, I quickly learned that deepfakes can't be stopped because anyone in the world with an internet connection can help develop it. DARPA understands this and is now investing millions of dollars into the creation of better deepfakes. I asked myself, how does this even make sense? We all know that they're dangerous, but that paradoxically encourages research. It's all about control and protection. Think back to the nuclear arms race. We all knew how extremely dangerous they were, so we had to get there first. DARPA's deepfake investment is to keep our country safe by staying ahead of our enemies. Their top priority is to build deepfake detection algorithms. If only it was that simple. You see, detection algorithms are not viable. This is because deepfakes are produced by pitting a creation and detection algorithm against each other. The creator tries to generate the most convincing deepfake it can to outsmart the detector. The detector, meanwhile, tries to outsmart the creator by finding flaws in the fake. So the smarter the detector, the smarter the generator. This is the exact same strategy used by Google DeepMind's AlphaZero. In December 2017, AlphaZero defeated the Stockfish 8 program, which had won a world chess competition in 2016. Stockfish 8 had access to centuries of accumulated human experience in chess and decades of computer experience. AlphaZero, on the other hand, knew absolutely nothing about chess and learned by playing against itself. Out of 100 games that AlphaZero played against Stockfish 8, it won 28 and tied 72. Didn't even lose once. Since AlphaZero had learned nothing from any human, many of its winning moves seemed very unconventional to us. Its strategies could be described as creative, if not genius. Can you guess how long AlphaZero spent training? 4 hours. For centuries, chess was considered one of the crowning glories of human intelligence. Meanwhile, AlphaZero went from utter ignorance to creative mastery in 4 hours without the help of any human guide. That's what we're up against. In June 2019, the Washington Post reported on top AI researchers across the country that are racing to diffuse this deepfake political weapon. Their message? We are not ready. With 100 times the amount of people working on synthesis than detection, top experts say that we are outgunned. Wow, this is heavy. So what can we do? Well, ideally, Google, Twitter, Facebook can just whip up an AI that will alert you when a suspicious article, photo, video is spotted. But we're not there yet. And in fact, that might be a very long way off. Since the responsibility right now falls on us, how can we ensure the world stays truthful? From what I've learned, all forms of deepfakes pit two groups of people against each other. It is a tactic used to exploit your attention for financial or ideological gain. Remember, social media platforms don't sell products. We are the product. Our attention and activity make them money. Perpetrators seek advertising revenue and dissuade perspective on the world. So watch out for these emotionally charged headlines. If you take one thing away from my story today, spread awareness. The more people that understand that this technology exists, the more sensitive we will become to it, and the better prepared we will be for facing these ideological